when you run a no-tillage system, we've got to be very aware that we only get one chance at it. It's being a single pass system, the only pass that we do is the one that counts. So we've got to get it right first time.
Most importantly, there is no loss of crop yield even in the first year. Thereafter, crop yield should gradually increase, often to levels never before experienced.
Since we've gone to no-tillage, we've had independent irrigation experts come in here, and on average this property over the season, by not cultivating it and allowing the soil to be exposed to the nor'westers, we're saving an average of between 40 and 60 millimetres of water per year. We've gone from averaging 4 to 5 tonne of sort of feed grains up to the around 11.5 to 12 tonne mark on these light Lismores, and so we're getting close to some of the best Wakanui's yields in New Zealand. Our ryegrass yields are similar, from 1,200 kilograms a hectare to 2,200 to 2,000, and we've had yields up to 3,300 kilograms a hectare.
I think that we've got it figured out. It's around 60 to 70 cents an acre to keep that thing in the field. My brother's pretty much the money man, so he'd know that better. But it's very compared to the conventional system that we used to be in, it's nothing to compare to. Fuel use is, we're down to about 1 gallon an acre is what we figure with the drills. This combine I'm leaning against burns more fuel in the course of a day than I do seeding, and cuts about the same amount of acres. So we figure these are about 1.5 gallons per acre, and versus 1 gallon per acre with the drills, putting the seed in the ground.
You know, on a typical day in the autumn, we might go from sowing into sod conditions that have been sprayed out with glyphosate to a green feed maize conditions where there's long stalks on very firm ground, to undulating sandy country, and you just go from one thing to the other and virtually not have to change anything. And you know, you sort of get to the point where you wonder why everybody hasn't got one of these things.